if you've got a property that's £50,000, the rent might be on a £50,000 house, which there are some people from London are saying, £50 house? 50 grand what? Yes, there are lots of nice 3-bedroomed houses in England that are 50 grand. Nice. Oh yeah, but they must be in the middle of a red light district and scumbags live there and it's all DSS. No. Nice people, nice, clean houses, 50 grand, 3 bedrooms. There are. They exist all over the place. How much rent would you get? How much? 250, 400. I reckon for a 50 grand house you could quite easily get in rent about 450. Now let me ask you another question. So this is the value of the house. So this is the purchase value. This is the rental value. If you found a property that wasn't 50 grand, it was an average nice house for 100 grand, the purchase value is double. Does that mean that the rental value is also double, yes or no? No. Absolutely not. You might be talking, I don't know, maybe 550. And then 200 grand, we know already, 850. So there's no direct correlation between the house value and the rental value. Make sense? So in order to get a higher return, put in less, get more out, it makes sense to buy houses that are cheaper. Yep, it's not rocket science. So if you're buying a house for 200-300 grand, unless you turn it into a big HMO, do something clever with it, if it's a single let property, it's probably going to give you a very low return. Now, in regards to areas, I know we talked before about big picture, prices go up, and it goes recession, expansion, recession, expansion, recession, expansion, but overall it goes up. If we're looking at areas of where to invest, what's happened in London over the last 5-7 years? Massive expansion. What's happening now in London? It's kind of static / going down even a little bit. Absolutely. But over the last 5-7 years, so if we are thinking short term, i.e. next 5 years, let me tell you a secret. Everywhere follows London. Everywhere follows London. So London's now static, but guess what's happening here in Birmingham at the moment? Yeah. My houses in this area, i.e. the Midlands, have gone up in value in the last 6 months by 10%. That's good. That's really good, 6 months. Some of my houses in Warsaw, which is where we are right now, I've got a house, I bought it in 2012, and I can show you the right-move history and everything like that. I bought it in 2012 for 65 grand, 2012. It's now worth 115. Close to doubling in Birmingham. And that's going to continue for a while in Birmingham. But not for that long. Why? Because everywhere follows London. London's static. Birmingham will get static as well soon. I think Birmingham has got 2 years left of growth, and then it will fall static, and that's what I predict. There's some parts of the north where they're cheaper now, today, than they were 12 years ago. I'll say that again. There's areas in this country where the property prices are worth less now than they were 12 years ago. Now, I don't know about you, but I find that pretty exciting. Because it's quite obvious, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out that when you've had 12 years of actual droppage and nothing, and when normally houses double every 10, these areas are going to boom. True or true? Of course they are. Because wherever there's recession, there's expansion. And there's been such bad recession that they've actually dropped in the last 12 years. So inflation's gone up, everything's gone up, but these areas stayed down. Why have they stayed down? What's the reasons? What do you reckon? Yeah, economy. What else? Unemployment. Maybe unemployment. I guess because everywhere follows London. London got hit. It's spreaded. London's grown like crazy. These are still in the dark ages. Birmingham's caught up, but there's still the rippling effect happens. So that's what's happening. So the cool thing at the moment, right now, and the good thing about these crash courses is, as I say, every time we do them, it's different content for two reasons. Reason number one, because there's different people with different questions, and you'll have a lot of time to ask questions and things like that, allocated slots. But two, the market's changing. So as things change and different things come in, the content of what I teach you and the techniques and the strategies are different. So right now, I am personally myself buying properties cheap, like this, because I know that they're going to go up big time.